What is going on, guys? As you can see, the Shitbox is behind me, so I figured why not do a small 4K video today on the catch can installation, which is kind of already installed. It's got a little bit of tweaking left I need to do, but I'm going to show you guys kind of where I routed everything and where it's going to have the blow-by like gases at the end after the baffle and the catch can and everything going out. So here y'all go. Alright, so VR6, baby! We did put a new intake pipe on, so that's a little bit more sturdy. And it's getting plenty of cold air from the no fender liner area down there. Alright though, catch can. Before, this baby was just smoking out of here. So we're letting it run a little bit right now just to kind of see. I don't know if we can get some sort of oil down in that thing so I can kind of check it out. But we ran the line from here where the blow-by comes out. This is just like a stop for the intake. Went all the way down there into the catch can, and then the out goes all the way back around there and kind of dumps. I don't know if y'all can even see that shit. Let's see if I can't wiggle it a little bit down there, and it just dumps out down there. Yeah. So we will see. This thing throws plenty of oil out. She does get a little dipstick in her. So I don't know if we can really see down in there. Oh, that's cool. Look. Y'all can see the smoke coming out. Not really. And it's real hard to see. Build up a little bit of pressure in that bad boy right there. Well, it's definitely blowing something down in there. So I guess it's a little bit wiggly, but I think we can fix that with a couple zippy doodads here or something. That's the only thing that's a little bit iffy. But there y'all go. We got the catch can on there, so now we can run the defroster without smelling fumes all the time. Y'all catch some more of these videos with the same shirt on. We filmed a lot of stuff today, so I hope you guys enjoyed kind of checking that out, and we'll see y'all in the next one.